Hello and welcome back to Why Not Watch. I just got 3 watches in today that, this is new. These are not. Let's take this first. A pocket watch. It's still quite in the cheap end of watches in general. But it's a nice looking one, and I wanted a nice looking pocket watch. You can see the time through here as well when it's closed, but you can also open and see into the mechanical clockwork. It is not automatic, it is manual wind, and you can also open backside so you can actually see from both sides, which I think is very cool. So for the price I paid 300 DKK. Normal price is 400, so I saved 100. That's nice, and quite nice looking watch all over. So yeah, that was the pocket watch. And of course, time-wise that doesn't fit. Can we get a little bit of silence, please? I also got a F91W. I already have one of those. I'm not going to talk much about that, but I got this. Normally they go for around... oh, that looks weird over here. They go for around 250 from new DKK. I paid 39 for this. So, quite happy with the price. And then the coolest of them, I think, timex automatic. I haven't set the date and the day. I've only set time just to see if it keeps track of that, but yeah. And it seems to do. So far it does. I had to change one of the spring bars on the back there because when I got home and took a look at it, that is how it looks. It's breaking off, so I had to take this off and change it. And the buckle on here is quite rusty, but it still works. I have worn it a little bit. Where is the hole I used? There we go. So yeah. As I changed the spring bar, I took a look on it, and it doesn't say anything but that it's a timex automatic and water resistant. So didn't really get anything out of that. I don't know nothing about this watch. So I know nothing about this watch. I mean, if anyone knows anything about this, please let me know, because I have no idea what it is about. It's just a timex automatic, and I think it's pretty cool. I'm not sure about the size. I'd say around 38, 39 millimeters. Compared to a, whoops, down there. Compared to a F91W, that's the F91W, just a tiny bit smaller. So yeah, and I think this is the coolest one because I have wanted a timex for a while. But all in all, 3 cool watches. If you want to know more about anything about how to set up your Casio F91W, I have some videos on that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.